Old Jordan, he might have helped you get a phone at one point in time. Alltel might not want you to know about that. But anyway, Alltel Wireless, that's how we roll.
Josh Goodson coming next. Josh Goodson, last bull rider in this section. After that, we'll have the event winner's flag. We got a bull rider that's 78 points.
Last bull ride and the night's over?
Section.
That exciting and it's
over.
over.
This section, looking to beat 78 championship points.
See what he can do. Josephville,
Josh
he was
Goodson, Thomas Burren Cowboy.
Let's do it.
They say a bull won't hit a dummy.
Oh.
Hey, why don't you come out here and stand, buddy?
Hey, already, really?
Out to the left, and there he goes. Josh is still in the middle. Oh, look out.
Oh, wow.
Got those decisions right there.
Here, kitty, 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 kitty.
78 points, still holding the lead.
Ouch.
We got the man from Snowy River out there.
Front still